Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can unhide hidden photos on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Photos. In Photos, tap on Albums. And in Albums tab, you go down and tap on Hidden. It is under Utilities. Now, if you do not see the hidden album, then you can turn it on by going into Settings. So in Settings, and then you go down and tap on Photos. Now we go down and make sure that hidden album is on. So turn on hidden album, and then the hidden album will appear in the Photos app. Once it is in here, you can go down and tap on hidden, and then select the photos that you want to unhide. So I'm going to select everything, and then tap on the share button at the bottom. Next, go down the menu and choose unhide. And that's it. So that is how you can unhide pictures in the hidden album on the iPhone 13 series. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.